Ready to personalize your Adobe Creative Cloud experience? Let's dive straight into how to set up your profile and customize it to your liking. Beginning with opening the Creative Cloud app, locate the Creative Cloud icon on your desktop, often in your taskbar or Applications folder. Double-clicking the icon will initiate the program. Once the application's open, look towards the top right corner for the profile icon, or, if you haven't set one up yet, a generic placeholder like an initial. It's your gateway to customization. Click on the profile icon to open the drop-down menu here. You'll find several options to navigate. Select Adobe account. This will take you to your online profile page on the Adobe website within your default browser. You'll land on your Adobe account page. On the top left, you'll see the profile overview. Now, to customize, click the Edit Profile button, which may appear as a pencil icon on the top right of your profile portrait. This takes you to the Edit Profile section. Here, you can upload a profile picture by clicking on the Profile Picture section. You'll likely be prompted to browse your computer for an image. You can also update your name, or if permitted, the email associated with your account. Now, a crucial area, your Adobe Cloud storage. In your profile settings, locate the Storage section, likely in the menu tabs or on the dashboard. Here, you can see how much storage space you have available. Congratulations, you've successfully created and personalized your Adobe Creative Cloud profile, and you understand how to manage essential settings. Remember to explore any other options you find to fully customize your digital workspace. Now go create.